Hey guys, it's your girl Nadia A. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I'll be doing this braided scarf. So for this video, all you need is your card, your braids, your scarf, your scissors, your needle and thread. And I have these clips. That's the braid. It is already pre-stretched. They need 2 packs, or depending on how full you want your scarf, you can go ahead and use more than 2 packs of braid, depending on how you want it to look. And if you're going to do the twist much bigger than mine, then I guess you're going to need more than 2 packs. I'm just demonstrating here how I did the twist. I won't be showing you much because I already have the hair pre-twist from some time ago, and I'll be using those here. I'm just showing you 2 twists on the card, just demonstrating so that you can see how I achieve this look. Guys, it takes a long time to get this done because they are so tiny, but I did not do everything in one day. I stopped. Yeah, I was just vibing, playing music and singing and all that. You know, sometimes I feel lucky and don't want to work. I just want to relax, so you have to play some music sometime or whatever gets you motivated to start work. That's what I did. I just play some music so that I could start this video for you guys. It's a lockdown and I'm home and I just want to make a video for you guys. So here I have my scarf. I'm just going to make 2 folds at the end, and I'm going to stitch it down so that it will stay in place. Where I'm making the stitch, or the hem as you will say, that's where we will be placing our braids. Look like a dressmaker. Look like a clothes me I make. No sir. But you don't have to do this if you don't want to. You don't have to stitch it, but I think it more uniform and looks way better when it is stitched down, and I think the hair will stay on the scarf for a longer time. So here I'm just using my needle and thread, and I'm just gonna stitch that straight back down to the other end. See, I'm making a double fold because it was too thin, so I do another fold and stitch it, go all the way down to the other end. So now I'm finished. I'm just measuring where I want to start the braids on each side. So I'm just gonna use those clips so I know where I want the space in the front for my forehead. That's where I won't be placing no hair, and where the clips, where I place the clips, I'll stitch each braid from there down. So now I'm just placing the braids on the scarf where I want it, and I'm just going to use the needle and thread and stitch it down. So first I use the needle and the thread and push the needle through the hair and then stitch it to the scarf. So I'm just showing you up close how I place the hair on the needle and to the scarf. And as you can see how I knot the thread right there, after I push the needle through the scarf or I pull it all the way out, I place the thread over the needle and then I remove the needle. And I just continue doing the same thing on both sides until I'm finished with 2 layers or 2 rows. As you can see, I'm trying to get the hair as close as possible so that it will look neat and it will look as if your hair is braided under that scarf.
And who's gonna know? Like, who is gonna know that you're wearing a braided scarf? You won't know.
So I'm all finished. It did not take that long. It would be even faster if the hair was twist bigger. So now I'm just placing it on my head. Speed up the styling of the scarf. See, it's coming together. I just wrap the back and carry it to the front, then tie it at the front. So this was 2 packs of expression in the inch 84 and it was cut in 5. Yeah, I enjoy making this for you guys. I really did. Okay guys, so just go and stay fresh like a fresh predator. Bye.